Good day everyone. Today I will be discussing about the information technology in business. So the business sector produces products and services for profit. Information technology describes any technology used to create, process, and disseminate information that is critical to business performance. Information technology is important in business sector as a management tool to optimize the processing of information to produce goods and services for profit. Computers and information systems are essential parts of every business today. Information technology in business it is mostly important because it helps to create and manage databases to store and retrieve information. Also, it helps build networks and for communication and collaboration, and especially it was so helpful in selling product and services online. And process improvement, information technology, it includes the management information systems like computers, hardware, and software networks used to automate and support business tasks and decision making. IT is used to automate simple routines such as word processing and advanced processes such as production, scheduling, and logistics. Example of quality assurance is include the functional testing, performance testing, and security testing. It involves the inspecting and testing the products at various stages of the production process to ensure that they meet the required specification. In information technology in business, there was the communication and competitive intelligence. So communication is the business sector must communicate internally with its worker and externally with the suppliers and customer on an efficient basic computers. Information technologies including word processing, publishing software, email, and internal networks, and the internet facilitate this communication. For competitive intelligence, it is the strategic competitive advantage plays a fundamental role in the success of a given business within its sectors. Information technology has become fundamental to acquiring competitive advantage. The combination of process improvement, cost reductions, communications, and quality assurance all contribute to the competitive advantage of a business unit. Well, today, 16 years old are accustomed to the social uses of computer and mobile phone technology. Both items increasingly form part of a package of devices that are becoming essential for business operations. All business needed to process data to provide the information essential to support business decision making. Over the last 20 years, successful business owners have realized that they need to keep ab- abreast of developments in computer technology and their application to business. Most business also make use of a number of other machines to assist in the smooth running of the business, and the majority of these now incorporate computer technology. So, there are types of computers and other business hardware. The first one is the cash register. These were invented to keep track of cash coming into the business and were originally operated mechanically. The next one is the telephone system switchboard. Most business required a telephone system which allows employees in different parts of the business premises to communicate easily with each other, while also allowing outgoing calls to be made from any extension and easily transfer of incoming calls. The third one is the printers, copiers, faxes, and scanners. Until fairly recently, the task of printing document from a computer, making photocopies, sending faxes, and scanning documents were carried out using separate and different devices. The last one is the portable device. Just as the use of smartphones and other mobile devices now dominate social communications, business are also increasing the use of portable computing and communication technologies. When it comes to select the right computer for your business, you need to make sure you're looking at the business class PC. What exactly is a business class PC? In brief, it's one that includes various connectivity components like built-in internet and software utilities to manage networking, as well as the slots, bays, and ports needed to expand memory, storage, and business peripherals, A business class PC isn't necessarily more expensive than today's wheel equipped home computers, but it's not the cheapest PC you can buy either. And this configuration its price in the main range, but we can give you a few guidelines. So here is this some types of PCs. First is the CPU. Starting with the brains of the computer or the central processing unit, you'll want your system powered by nothing less than an Intel Pentium 4 or equivalent Athlon XP class processor from Advanced Micro Device as opposed to say Celeron's, Duron's, Pentium, Pentium, EOS or earlier generations. The next one is the RAM. Random access memory is also critically important, considerably slower and cheaper than cache. RAM is the bucket your computer's processor used to hold vast amounts of data and program instructions while it works. The next one is the hard drive. One or more physical hard drives, each of which can be divided into multiple logical drives, are the warehouse where you store multi multi-gigabyte programs and gigabytes worth of data. This is the permanent storage location of your programs and files. The fourth one is the optical drive. It's pretty hard to find a computer with a CD-ROM drive these days. In fact, it's hard to find one without a rewritable CD, but time marches on, and today it's preferable to have a rewritable DVD in your PC. The fifth one is the display. Fifth one is the display. To put it bluntly, monitors are dead. Long-lived liquid crystals displays as LCDs. These thin-line, low-power alternatives to the hot, bulky monitor are still a good deal more expensive to buy. But prices are falling fast and they not only save a huge amount of disk space, but also enough in power and cooling costs over a traditional monitor that they are actually cheaper in. So display, it is a device with a screen that shows a rendered electronic image made up of pixels that are illuminated in a way that distinguish text and graphic elements. So the next one is the modem. One of our best business investments today is broadband internet access. Depending on your location, that could be via phone companies, ATM fiber relay or DSL, or the same cable that brings content to your TV. The next is memory. Also insists that all the initial memory in a new PC be included in a single DIMM dual inline memory module and insists on at least one open memory slot. The next one is the storage. It's hard to say which is happening faster, the growth in hard drive capacity or the fall in hard drive prices. We measure storage in gigabytes these days and you should be able to add more 80 gig or storage for less than $100. Peripherals. You never know whether you may choose to add a different graphics adapter, a wireless networking card, a board for an external storage device or scanner, or who knows, insist on two open PCI slots or even the smallest desktop. The last one is the ports. Increasingly, the things that hang off your PC mice, trackballs, keyboards, still and video cameras, external drives, printers, and scanners are relying on the new high bandwidth 4-wire and USB 2.0 ports, especially the later. They often replace legacy serial parallel and PS2's two ports, sometimes even PCI slots. Software. The term software refers to the program which interact with hardware to perform designated tasks. Software converts the computer, mobile phone, or other device from a collection of circuits into a useful tool. It is usually installed by the manufacturer or supplier of the equipment. Programming software allows the programmer to develop a complete new application. Software allows a device to perform the specific tasks that the user requires, including word processing, preparing spreadsheets, web browsing, and sending and receiving email. Application software is apart from operating system software, The general types of application software that you may find to be useful includes the word processing programs, spreadsheet programs, database management programs, accounting and bookkeeping programs, and the desktop publishing programs. So if you expect that you'll be using more than one of those programs, you may want to consider these options. First, shop around for integrated software package, sometimes known as an office suite. Second is have a program custom made. Third, purchase industry-specific software. Computers and peripherals is constantly evolving, but knowing a few general specifications in each product category will help you find the best deal on the right equipment for your business, or at least understand what a tech expert is telling you and what business needs is not the same for everyone. Information technology in our daily life has definitely changed the way we live our lives. Long long have the days we communicating solely face to face. Long have the days we needed to invest in serves to our business. The application of IT has definitely changed the way communication, commerce, business, education, as well as the way we lead our lives. IT has changed tremendously over the years, especially in the computing fields. Nowadays, more or less household has an iPad or computer or some Apple related product. We now have cloud computing as well as virtual servers. Long have the days of needing your own server to run things. Outsourcing. Staying in the East, you can work in the West and earn a large amount of dollar. It has brought new dimension in the field of education. We can get any type of information staying home we need. The famous books of the world are available and easy accessible via internet. Everybody we are now getting new information with the help of information technology. Information technology in the modern world has evolved so much that you can enjoy it in all the places. Think about cars with satellite navigation built in, think about climate control, and think about digital displays within your vehicle. These all have been possible by information technology. It has even changed the way we buy things. Long have the days gone that you needed a cash machine or ATM to withdraw cash and purchase everything with cash. Now you can purchase using a PDQ machine, chip and PIN machine or credit card. It has definitely made our lives so much easier. It has introduced the internet system and turned a new era in the field of e-commerce. E-commerce is a system of buying and selling goods through online. With extremely buying lifestyle and a lack of times, e-commerce enhanced changed the way we purchase things. It has changed so much that business are forever investing in online strategies from online shops to search engine optimization and search engine market strategy.